Hi everyone, hope you are doing great. I was shooting an Instagram reel for my outfit, so I thought of creating this video as well. So a lot of y'all asked questions about how I follow Jainism, and there were a lot of questions related to Chaturmas or Chaumasa, you can say. So I thought of answering all your questions. I took them at one place and I'm surely going to answer those, so let's see how it goes. Firstly, I'll tell you a gist about what is Chaturmas. So basically it is for 4 months it's raining, as you all obviously know. For these 4 months there are a lot of tiniest particles that get born. We try not to hurt the smallest of living beings for these 4 months, not only for these 4 months, throughout the year, but in these 4 months, because there are a lot of these living beings everywhere, wherever you go out. I'll give you a simple example. Whenever you walk on road, you will see that green area because of rains, and that is those small trees which we call as निगोद, और उनको बहुत hurt होता है when you walk. Obviously people say that they don't have feelings, but they do get hurt because लगा है उनको भी. So that is the thing, we make sure that we don't eat outside food, क्योंकि उसमें भी बारिश की वजह से काफ़ी जीव born होते हैं, which we know it scientifically as well. Coming to the question, so the first question is, are you a Digambar or Shwetambar? I am a Shwetambar Jain. Second question is, चातुर्मास कर रही हो या नहीं? So the thing is, there's nothing as कि चातुर्मास कर रही हो या नहीं. I'm obviously following all the rules. जो भी करना होता है चातुर्मास में, we shouldn't be eating at night. Onion potatoes नहीं खाना है, which I anyway don't eat. प्रवचन में जाना, I do puja. I am learning a bit in sutras. Going to the monks, sadhujis, I'm going to them as well. So I'm learning a lot of things, and this time it's really going great. I mean, I'm doing better than last year. Previous 2 years, I feel I'm doing a lot more better and I'm growing in that. So I'm really feeling good about that. But yes, moving to the next question, चौबयार किया है क्या? Or you are doing चौबयार every day? I just cannot live without eating at night. I need the smallest of papad or something I need to eat, and that is a very weird thing about me, but I just cannot stay without eating at night. But the day Chaumasa has started, I haven't eaten at night, and कल सुबह खाना ही तो है, so I make myself prepared about this कि I don't have to eat after 7. And चौबयार, I mean TBR कर लेती हूँ, because I tried doing चौबयार but I couldn't because बहुत ज़्यादा प्यास लग जाती है and my stomach had started paining. So I thought of doing TBR. That means I'm drinking water after sunset. Moving ahead, are you doing Siddhi Tap now? No, I had started Nigod Nivaran Tap, which means एक उपास एक vyashna, दो उपास एक vyashna,
तीन उपास एक vyashna, चार उपास एक vyashna, 5 एक vyashna, and then 4, 3, 2, 1.
So I had started that and I completed 2 upas, 1 vyashna, and then I did 1 upas somehow, and I got blood in my vomit, and then I just couldn't do that. And then I also started looking at recipes, and that was the weakest point. I feel I had to do my parna the next day, and then I saw my dad doing it and I was quite proud of him, and he also pushed me a day before कि हो जाएगा. I was like fine, but then my sister and I, Nishi, we both had our parna. Then you all could clearly see on my Instagram stories, I made so many recipes. I made bread, I made churros. How can I convert from non-Jain to Jain? That is a serious question. No, it's very easy. I mean, you can just follow small steps. Just start with one thing that you'll do every day. Make sure that पूजा करना है तो मैं रोज़ पूजा करूँगी ही. Someone has also asked, I can't stay without onions. So if you're someone who eats onions every day, make sure that you don't eat onions for at least 10 days in a month, or at least 5 days. That way you will learn. If you really want to, you'll surely reach there and you will quit onions for sure. So whatever vegetables, fruits that we eat, onions, potatoes में ज़्यादा जीव है. I also learned one more thing. I would like to really share that with you all. Dragon fruit is equals to eating a potato. So उनका जीव is really same. Next is, what are your Paryushan plans? So I haven't thought of anything like that, but I would surely do Ekashna so that I eat well and I also reach everywhere. I want to listen to pravachan, I want to go to puja and all of that. So I would make sure that I also eat and I also reach everywhere, pratikman, everything. Next question is, पाठशाला में किधर तक पहुँचे आप? And there's one more person has asked, till where have you completed your sutra? So I had finished Atichar before, but बिल्कुल याद ही नहीं था, which we all know कि सूत्र याद ही नहीं रहते for after some time. So I revised Atichar again and I completed that now. And I'm now learning Bhaktamar. Girnar ji jana hai, and someone has also said Girnar ji lekar chalo. I would surely love to take you all to Girnar ji, and we would surely plan a whole trip, and that is there in my mind that we should go to Girnar. We all should plan. It will be so much fun. I mean, just a lot of us, at least 20 or 30 people I'm expecting, a lot of us strangers going to Girnar and vibing. That will be just so amazing. We'll surely do that. I would like to put up a form. If possible, I'll share a form in the description, or just comment below that you all would love to come to Girnar, and let me know when can we plan. I will surely ask some of my friends, get help from them, and I'll make sure that we go in December, which is just going to be a lot of fun. And let me know if this was a good video. I mean, did you all enjoy listening to all of these questions? Do subscribe to my channel. Oh my god, I'm saying this finally. Do subscribe to my channel, and